The genesis of Navistar was actually around 1968. It was strictly an envelope printer. They didn't manufacture, they just bought blank envelopes and printed them for the local businesses. And that led us into commercial type printing, letterhead, flyers, brochures. More and more, data becomes more critical. And as the capabilities of the equipment has changed, being able not just to do paragraph fill or targeted messages through text, but being able to swap out images and targeted messages through images. That's just become more and more important. We were going from printing static shells, going to a continuous form laser, then going to a folder. With the inkjet technology, we've eliminated one or the other, whether the printing press or the laser, you've combined them both. And now we've got two high-speed lines, the MBO high-speed lines, and it's like doubled, sometimes tripled our speeds and capacity. 5-10 years ago, it was all about doing more with less. And with today's labor market, it's about doing more with what you have. I mean, because people are tough to find, you got to keep the people you have, but how do you get more out of them? And so that's when you go with this newer, faster, more efficient equipment. Customer expectations aren't really any different today. They're just more compressed. It's how quickly you can put something in the mail. They want to mail a current list as opposed to one that's got, they have to use the list by a certain date and things like that. Quality standards, and then consistency in the work you do. So, I just see at least for the next several years, more of the same. Moving work from the conventional offset over to the inkjet side, especially now with paper going up, with the supply chain issues, paper going up, chemicals, all the rising costs on that, and the consumables on the inkjet side just aren't there. It's ink and it's some wipes and stuff. The parts are in your service contract and things like that. So there's less waste, and rags and plates and blankets and all that stuff. With the rising costs there, it makes it even more advantageous to run it on an inkjet web as it does to be on a conventional press. Our mindset is we're just an extension of our customer's business, and so we understand their business and we can help them meet their needs. Another part of that is keeping up with technology, staying at that edge so that you're always looking to stay ahead of it.